Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer 1 divided by secant of x. You got cosine x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus sine x because we have sine x. So I will put this one go to the left, u go to the right. So we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have cosine x dx. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we can simplify like this. So this one we change for u. Sin x that is about 1 minus u. Cosine x dx we change for negative du. So negative will change the sign of this one. So u to the power of 5 multiplied by u and number 1. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 6 gone here. So 6 plus number 1, we have number 7. The next one, we have u to the power of 6 over 6. And I will put about c. About u, that is about 1 minus sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.